Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to fix Instagram app not updating. So one thing you have to make sure is that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you can turn on cellular data on your mobile devices and then update your Instagram application. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open settings on your mobile devices. Once you come to settings, scroll down below and tap on the section of apps. From here, you can simply search for Instagram. Here we go. Now from here, scroll down below and tap on the option of storage. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of clear cache. Tap on it. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, go ahead and tap on search at the bottom right corner. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram. Now over here, tap on Instagram application. Now, if you don't see the option of update, you can simply uninstall Instagram app and then reinstall it again. With that, you will be able to fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.